first unboxing I'm going to do is this Honda NSX V1. So it's Mini GT 108. I've actually never opened one of these, but I really like them. So I'm going to open this, and yeah, and we'll see what we got here. See what to expect. I've actually collected a lot of Pokémon cards back in the day when they first came out, and lost a bunch of them at a garage sale that one of my parents decided to randomly do, unfortunately. So I've kind of gotten back into that. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I really like the packaging. So we got this Kaido House car culture for all scale. This is cool. Let me know in the comments what the zero means, so I can start to familiarize myself with this more. Yeah. With the Honda badge there. Alright, it's like carbon fiber on the sides. That black carbon fiber. Alright, so I got the car, got some more packaging. I'm assuming that's everything. So, first impressions. That's really awesome. The paint on it is extremely sparkly. Not sure if you can, I'm liking the purple going on the bottom here. Yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, you know, let me know in the comments what you think about this one, if you own this one. Yeah, I mean, I'm impressed. I really liking the way these look. Alright. Bear with me real quick. Alright, so one last look on that. Bunch of side. Back. Yeah. Really liking those red seats in there too. Alright. This one is the Dotson Street 510 Racing V1 Nismo. Love it. Right, let's get this one open. I'm not sure how many of you know they're it. Hold on 1 second. Apparently this one is not as easy to pop open though. I cut the sticker right here. You can see there's another little sticker here, but it's already been cut. Oh. You can see it's right there. It's already been cut. There's just extra here. Oh yeah, here we go. Alright, so we got... Oh, that's cool. If anybody knows what that says, I think I know what it says, but let me know in the comments. Same thing with the 0. Does that mean I shouldn't open this? Is this like the series before the series? Oh wow. This one's really cool. I'm already liking. Wait, that's looking. Oh yeah. And of course, one. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these. I've been meaning to open these, and I've got a few more that open tomorrow. Open some. And post a video for that. But I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. I really like them. And I will be getting plenty more. I have some on the way. There should be some coming tomorrow. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'll make sure that is not in any of the videos going forward. Yeah. Tell me what you think about these, and there will be more to come.